Welcome to Paradigm Publishing's SNAP 2010 web-based training and assessment program. Over the past few months, we've made several enhancements to our SNAP 2010 program. These changes were requested by users just like you. This video illustrates the program's recent improvements, which include all-activity group scheduling, adding a holiday week to your schedule, the gradebook reorder feature, course reorder and hiding, and the freezing of names and activities in the gradebook. Let's log in and look at the enhancements. The all-activity scheduling is a powerful way to make changes to a specific type of activity throughout your course. It works for tutorials, skill exams, concept exams, document assessments, performance evaluations, and the My Assignment exercises. Now let's look more in depth at this feature through the tutorials. Notice when you click on Scheduling and Tutorials, you see all the tutorials that are available. Here we can select an unscheduled or a scheduled tutorial. We can click Check All, and this will select every unscheduled or scheduled activity. This allows you only to make changes to the activities you choose. Edit Scheduling gives you the ability to make a change to a specific parameter of scheduling. We first select the section we want to make the change to, and you can select several sections if you choose. In this instance, we want all scheduled tutorials to start at 12:05 a.m. and end at 11:55 p.m. Also, we want to change the tutorial to highest grade. If we wanted to, we could also make other changes at this time as well. When we finish making changes, we simply just click on Save Changes. Now when we go back to the scheduling and tutorials, we can see the parameters of the scheduling have been changed. This new feature will make the scheduling of multiple activities much faster and save instructors a lot of time. Now let us look at the feature that allows you to add a holiday week to your schedule. This was requested when instructors have fall, Thanksgiving, or even spring breaks. Simply click on Scheduling and All Activities. If you wanted to add a holiday week between the 5th and 6th week, simply go to the bottom of the 6th week and click on the gray down-pointing arrow next to Manage Week. Here you have the ability to add or remove a holiday week. Once you select the option to add an open week will be added to your course. If you select Remove Holiday Week, it will simply take it away. Now let's look at the gradebook to see the changes made to the pane of student names and assignments. Click on Grades to view the gradebook. Notice on the left, we have frozen the names. So when scrolling right, we don't lose that view. The categories and assignments are both frozen now as well. So when you scroll down, we don't lose view of these. We've also incorporated a new gradebook reorder feature. Click on Set Categories. You can now change the order for any of the activities in the course for easier viewing. Here, each activity is ordered in increments of 100. Change the first activity to 600 and change the next activity to 100. Now you will click Save Changes. The activity labeled 100 will then move to the top or the first position, and the one labeled 600 will move down to the 6th position. It was meant for you to change several numbers at once, allowing your full gradebook to be reorganized in a matter of minutes. You can also use the feature for changing the order of categories. By clicking on Set Weights, you can use that same method to change the order of your categories. All of these changes will allow for easier navigation and viewing of the gradebook. Lastly, let us look at the Course Reorder and Hiding feature. Here we can change the order of the list of courses on the left, or we can hide courses to allow for easier viewing. Please click on the Account link and then on Course Management. When we do this, you will now see a listing of all the courses in your profile in the first column. In the second column, you will see the navigation sort order. Here you can change the way your courses appear on the left-hand side. Change this number from 10 to 50 and it will move that course down to the 5th position. This works the same way as the gradebook reorder feature. In the third column, you will see the Hide in Navigation column. The column allows you to hide certain courses from your view. For example, if you're not teaching a class this semester and don't want to see the course, but you still want to keep that course in Snap, simply check the box and click on the Save button. This allows you only to see the courses you are using or want to see at that time. All of these changes make Paradigm's Snap 2010 program even stronger. Because of valued instructor feedback, we were able to see where improvements should be made. Thank you for taking the time communicating your course needs in Snap. It has made the product even stronger. Thank you for your continued support and let us know how we can make Snap the best product for you and your students.